Hello friends, so today we are introducing our wall mounted Swastika lithium UPS 2500 with wall mounted battery of 2.4 kilowatts. So all our products are compatible with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So we show you a practical demo how the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi works. So this is how the screen looks like, and you can see the product is there. You can see the voltage range which is coming in at your home. So now I will increase the load. So currently the load percentage showing is 69%. I will increase the load more. Now the load is 97% and it has started giving you overload status. It has started giving you warning that there is an overload and you have to reduce the load of your home appliances. And when there is overload, the system will give you warning and then shut down the UPS. In case you don't decrease the load, the system will shut down. So it is giving you a warning on the screen that there is an overload and you have to reduce the load. So once I reduce the load, you just have to reset the UPS, which is from the front panel. You have to switch it off and switch it on. So now the UPS is reset. We have a digital warranty. You go to warranty status. Now as you can see, it is 23 hours 17 minutes. After some time, it will come to 16 minutes. In this Wi-Fi module, we also have given you an option of diagnose. So through diagnose, you can check all the important parameters of your UPS. Then we have an option of settings where you can control your UPS online. The first option is the UPS type, where you can select your voltage range, narrow. You can select your battery type. You can select your grid charging current. Then there is a grid charging enabled and disabled option. There is a battery reserve mode. You can use the battery reserve at 11, 10.5. There are many options given there. If you want, there would be no buzzer sound so that there is no disturbance. You can disable it from here. You can enable it and disable it from here. So that's all. We will come with the next video again.